My name is Modestus. In this video, I will show you how I earn 2 BTC every 2 minutes and how you can do the same. Just follow me through to the end and make sure you apply what I ask you to do. Now, the site before you is the site we use to be earning 2 BTC. This is not a get rich quick program. This is site where you do some tasks, you do some jobs before you earn. You do jobs like clicking, watching videos, surveys, and so forth. These are the things you'll be doing on this site, and you'll be earning 2 BTC every 2 minutes, sometimes less than 2 minutes. Now, what you do is to register on this site. Now, below this video, you see sign up here to earn Bitcoins for free. Click on the link. It will take you to this point. Now, why I say should click there, because we have scams, fraudsters creating exactly this kind of site to defraud people. That's why I say follow the link and you get to this point. And when you follow that link, you'll be given bonus on the site. You'll be given advantage more than others who if you go there directly, you will not have this bonus. But when you follow the link, you will get bonus from them. So now, type it here, you click on register or register now. You type your username. You type your username, your email address, your password, and you confirm your password. Let's say that's our username. That's our password. That's our email address. Then you type your password and you confirm the password. Now you click on this. I'm not a robot. Now you agree to their terms and service. Then your next step is to click on sign up, and that's it. You have opened an account with them. But I already have an account. I will log in to show you how you can start earning from this site. Now I'm on this site. I've logged into my own site, my own portal. The first thing is for you to select your mode of payment, how you want to receive your money, your coins, your BTC, whenever you earn it, how you want to receive it. So we'll use a payment processor. Look at here, when you come to this folder, you see select a payment mode. There are 2 payment modes you see here now. Now click on it, say balance mode and faucet pay mode. We choose faucet pay mode. And when we choose faucet pay mode, what you do now is to go back. You look below this video, the description part of this video, you see sign up here to open an account with faucet pay. Click on that link. It will take you down to this place. Now you click on sign up. Now you type your username, email address, you repeat your email address, then you give a password, and you repeat your password. Now take note, the email address you type in here will become your bank account, become where the money will be coming to. So put the email address you have access to. Now your email address will be here. Then you accept the terms and conditions. Then click to verify. Let's just rush it. I'll show you what to do. That's my email address. Now I zoom in. That's my Gmail. That's my email address. The first one, my password. Then you repeat your email, give it the password. You repeat your password. Then click on here. You accept the terms and conditions. You click to verify. Now look at this. You drag this to this point, either from here or here. You make it exactly the same. Then you leave it if you're sure. They say success. Then you click on sign up. Then I'm not going to click on sign up because I already have an account with them. So I will log in and show you. Now we now have a payment processor. Now you go back to our first site. Now we choose as mode of payment. To select the mode of payment, we select Faucet Pay because we now have account with it. We leave this site like this for now. Then you scroll down. These are, you can choose up to 70 coins by reaching level 70. 16 coins actually. Now you choose the coin you want to be earning here. When you get to 70 coins, you can choose. When you go to level 70, you can choose up to 70 coins. But for now, we are not up to that level. We are just starting. So I want to earn BTC. Look at BTC here. Other coins are here. Other cryptos are here. I want to earn BTC. Select BTC. Then scroll down again. You input the captcha streams of ocean. You type it down. After typing what you see, you click on Start Auto Faucet. Now we are ready to start earning 2 BTC every 2 minutes. Now you scroll down. You said you need Dochi balance too low to claim. You need at least 309 Dochi per refresh with this parameter. So we need to get 309 Dochi within 2 minutes to earn. Now how do we get it? Now look at different ways to earn auto claim tokens. You have short link wall, offer wall, BTC wall, soft ads. These are different ways you can earn from here. Now you can look at them. Short link. If you click on short link, there are short links. You claim after performing this task, you get the reward of 100 Dochi. I said we need 309 for now to earn 2 BTC. We have 100 Dochi. That's if we go with short link. Now, what about offer walls? They are random account. They do survey available here. A lot of surveys here. You earn a lot with survey. Now, BTC wall earn simply by viewing ads. Let's start from here. If we still have ads to do now, we have ads here. After visiting this site, we'll be rewarded with 114 Dochi. So let's start so that we can. Let's start. You click on it. Now you'll be watching here. 32 seconds. Watch here. Forget about what you see here. You watch this part. Now it says submit. When you get to submit, click on submit. Now watch. You go back to this spot. You see, it said. Now it said 114 Dochi and 50 X point. added to your account. That's why I said if you follow the link below this video at the description of this description box, you'll be earning bonus. Now you have gotten 114 Dutchie. Now you still scroll down, look for another ads. Now you click on this one, with earn 114 also, with 40 seconds. Now it's 39 seconds. Just keep watching here. Now you see submit, you click on submit. You go back. Set 114 Dutchie and 50 XP added. So we have in another 114 Dutchie. That's what we'll be doing until it got to 309. We come to the next ad. You say visit this site again. You have different ads here. Click on this one, you earn 114 again in 40 seconds. You click on visit. Now keep watching, 39 seconds. Now look at it. It's now submit. You click on submit. When you see this thing moving, you know we have earned. Then I say we have earned another 114 Dutchie. Now let's see. By now we've gotten up to 309. They say let's see if we earn 2 BTC. Now let's see. Scroll down to the dashboard. Say okay, say 2 BTC was sent to your account at POSITPay. So we've earned 2 BTC in less than 2 minutes. This is what you'll be doing on this site. And you'll be earning 2 BTC every 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes. So this BTC you earn here has automatically been sent to your POSITPay account, the payment processor. We open account with. So let's see, let's log into our payment processor. Now I want us to sign in into our payment processor. Now with our username, type in your username and password. Then you click on verify. Let me do that now. Now this is my username, this is my password. This verify. Now click on the verify. Now I got it this time. Now you click on sign in. Now take note, we earn 2 BTC. Now I have a real point. I will be making a video on how you can earn from this site also from POSITPay. So be watching out for that video. This is an interesting site. I've been given 2 reward points for logging in, and you can convert those reward points to coins. Now, as we just earn 2 BTC. When you log into your account, you can see BTC have been earning 2 BTC, 2 BTC, 2 BTC, 2 BTC from that side. Look at it from one side, 2 BTC, 2 BTC, 2 BTC. And the dates. This is how I earn 2 BTC every 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes. Now let's see. Today's date is 11th. Look at it. 11th June. So we earn 2 BTC. This is the one we just earned on 11 June. June, 2 BTC. So you can go on and on by doing some tasks, simple tasks online. The task will just be just by clicking viewing ads will earn 2 BTC. That's what you'll be doing here. Let me just show you a game. By this role game, once in every 30 minutes, click on it. If you can earn something from it. Now, this game is done once in every 30 minutes. Look at it. It depends on what you get, the number you get paid. If I get up to 1,000, I get 20,200 Dochi. If you get within 0 point, this you get 101 Dochi. Now, let us play this game and see. I think I am. Then after typing the captcha, you say roll. Let me see what I will win. Now this is one way you earn also. Very simple thing, just simple task. You say lucky, your lucky number is 8,195. Means I earn, you won 101 Dutch. It has been added. And when it goes to 300 something, within 2 minutes, I earn 2 BTC. In less than 2 minutes, you are fast, you earn in 1 minute. So this is how you make money on this site. I would like you to click on the links below the video to join and open an account. And if you have gotten something from this video, I would like you to click on the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button below the video to subscribe, and for you to like the video here, click on the like and click on the bell notification so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So see you in the next video, because I'll be putting more videos showing you how you can earn money on the internet. So make sure you share this video, you invite friends, you tell people about this channel. So see you next time.